For this lesson, I'm working with the Premiere Pro project file 0302 Add Clips to a Sequence. You can find that project file in with the media associated with this lesson. Double-click to open the project file in Premiere Pro. Once you have a sequence, you'll be ready to add some clips. Premiere Pro is a flexible editing system and allows you to work in a number of ways. Let's check it out. One way to add clips to a sequence is to drag them into the timeline panel. So here I've got a shot called Football in the Rain, and I can drag this straight over to the timeline panel and drop it. And there it is. You'll notice that I'm tending to drop clips always on the video 1 track with the associated audio on audio 1. And this is more than just a force of habit. Remember, audio tracks all play together, but video tracks play in front of each other. Anything on video 2 will appear in front of anything on video 1. And let's try that. I'm going to take another clip and drag that up onto video 2. And you'll notice when I do that Premiere Pro automatically puts the audio for this clip on audio 2 as well. So when I release the mouse, we've now got video and audio. Looking at these two audio clips, seems to me there isn't actually any sound in this audio. So it's not going to make too many issues when we play back and the two pieces of audio are mixed. But still, I'll just scrub across the top of the timeline here. Let me resize a little so you can see the thumbnail of that Great Forest clip. And watch when the Great Forest clip begins in the program monitor. You can almost imagine that this blue mark at the top of the playhead is a camera looking down on the timeline, and anything on top appears in front of anything underneath. You can also drag clips straight from the source monitor. So here I'm clicking in the middle of the picture and I'm dragging down to the timeline, and I'll just put this right there, I think, on video 1 and audio 1. Remember that if you have added in and out marks, as I have here in this clip, at the beginning and end, you see we've just lost the ends of the clip, then they're always going to be honored. It doesn't matter if you're bringing the clip from the project panel down here or up in the source monitor. If you've added in and out marks, you'll just get that partial selection in your sequence. At the bottom of the source monitor, there are two icons, drag video only and drag audio only. And as you can guess, if I drag into the timeline using this icon, I'm only going to get the video part of the clip. Notice there's no audio there because I used this film strip icon instead of taking the whole thing from the middle of the picture. So that's some fairly intuitive ways that you can add clips to a sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro.